The immediate benefit is that when you use the IGEL Cloud OS and the management part, the easiness of doing it on a platform that is easy to scale, which is the Nutanix way, and then you have the easiness of managing all the endpoints from the IGEL standpoint. So it makes the admin's work much less complex and easier and time saving and all that stuff that's good for us, right? You need to go to the beach, or you need to go surf, or you need to go skiing, or whatever you do on your spare time. That's what counts. So the advantages of the IGEL OS, the next generation OS, Cloud OS, is that you will get something that's built simple, so you don't need to spend that much time worrying about thousands of endpoints, getting them upgraded. Then you have somebody here that's not upgraded, maybe a whole city or a whole office, department, whatever is not upgraded. This system will actually make that happen in an easier manner than before. So when you put Citrix on top of Nutanix, it's actually purpose-built. So you get linear scalability. So if you buy a new company and want to incorporate them into your corporate network, let's say it's a 5,000, 10,000 company, usually these things are very complex, right? It takes a lot of time to incorporate all these new users, all their applications into the existing networks. And the way we did it with Nutanix is that when you scale linearly. So if you know that you have a system that's built for X amount of users today, you know that X amount of users are coming in, you just scale and build. It's like Lego bricks. And when you do that in combination with something that we made that's called Nutanix Files, which is a scale-out file server, it actually makes the users' home drives and all those home directories breezing fast. So when they log on, you will get quicker logon times. When you do that from an IGEL terminal, you can do it safely, securely from an endpoint that is up to date, everything is okay. So at the end of the day, everything benefits the end user, which is more or less everybody in IT's customer, right? Since I've had IGEL for a long time in my portfolio when I worked in my previous job, there was a lot of stuff with old school terminals out in the wild, not getting updated, not getting managed in a smart way. So I guess when I used to work for a big oil company, and they had like 50, 60 different versions of the Citrix receiver. And if you have IGEL, you can actually make that happen in almost a single click and deploy it, so you actually see that every user has the latest Citrix receiver on their device. So the IGEL stuff with Citrix, and when Citrix is running in Nutanix, is purpose-built. It just works. It's out of the box. You don't have to spend months trying to achieve something. It's a matter of days, or maybe just hours actually.